What's up, YouTube? USMC Vet here. Hey guys and gals, doing a quick video on the difference between pokeweed and elderberry. So if you're going to be out picking elderberry, it's really not that hard to differentiate because elderberry is already red or black, whatever flavor you have in your area. And this here is pokeweed. So if you compare it, it doesn't look nothing like it because these pokeweed are still not even blossom, or well, they blossom, but they're not red or anything yet. So this is the plant that I cut a stem off of with the berries connected to it. But this is pokeweed, and according to my conversation with my herbalist buddy over here, he says you can't eat this, but do your research because it can make you sick and shit too. So, but this is elderberry, and as you can see, the leaves of the pokeberry are way different than the leaves of the elderberry. All right, well, there's your foraging tip for the day, I guess, because I don't do foraging tips that often, but that's pokeweed, and this is elderberry. Yep. So, if you're interested in it, look it up, do your research, and you can eat these, and apparently you can eat that. So, there you go, one more time, side-by-side comparison. Big ass leaves, little ass leaves. Berries, 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 berries. And I don't know what the hell those are, but those are the berries, but they just haven't formed all the way yet. So they don't even hang down the same way. See? See? Oh, I'm touching. Yep, there you go. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, most complaints, leave me in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Godspeed. Simplified on my Marines. And then there's the thumb thing. All right, peace.